The sixth C of teamwork is coordination. Coordination follows collaboration. Collaboration is all about divergent thinking, getting ideas on board. Coordination is all about convergent thinking. Converge and narrow down on the ideas, pick the one that works for everyone, that meets required criteria, and now go implement it. It is all about details, planning, scheduling, execution, identifying the coordination points in terms of tasks, timelines, deliverables, who will do what and who needs what, how, when, and where. Clear visibility on individual progress and each other's progress and direction is vital. Peers cooperation is key, and where peers assist and support one another. The Mumbai Dabbawalas, 5,000 of them cater to 2 lakh Mumbaikars with home cooked food, 100% customer satisfaction, and 99.9999% performance. It is a wonderful case study for clarity, commitment, coordination, and cooperation. Because for coordination to happen at its best, there has to be clarity, commitment, effective communication, and competence.
Well, hopefully all of you got to see the A-frame march and the caterpillar walk and had fun. I certainly had fun participating in them. Even in this entire planning of this event, I would like to highlight the work of so many people to make this event happen. There itself we can see how this teamwork played along. We have several people working together. IIT Madras BS degree studio team, Dean Students Office, faculty members, students, and other assistants who helped us organize this event. It is the synchronization and coordination of all these stakeholders that made this event a great success.